Birthday batian, gawin na natin. Now na, 5:34. Batiin na natin sa mga birthday celebrators June 18 para kainan ng kabayan.
Happy birthday!
May palitsyon ba? May palitsyon manok ba, kabayan? Paring Roy de la Cruz. Banat, pasok!
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang karawan.
Happy birthday kay Sarah Jane Catabas, Pascua. Sarah Jane, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Nasa Las Vegas, Nevada. Wow, congratulations. Paldo-paldo mula kay Tita Juliet Laksamana ng Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. Sarah Jane Catabas, Pascua, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Pakibati Brian Q, ang pamangking ko. Pat Temyong Esban ng Las Piñas. At kay Samuel Yek-Yek ng Palanan, Makati. Happy birthday po sa inyo kay Pat Temyong at kay Yek-Yek, Samuel Yek-Yek from Junesban ng Babalacat, Pampanga.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Josephine Bondok ng Bayanan, Muntinlupa. Josephine Bondok, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Sino bang kasabay nyo nagdiriwa ng karawan ngayon sa ating lipunan? Kakaunti lang, mga kababayan. Birth anniversary ng magaling hong artista, magaling na direktor, magaling na aktor. Efren Reyes Sr.
Happy birthday!
Tatay siyempre ni Efren Reyes Jr. Ni Direk Efren Reyes Jr. Ha? Birth anniversary pala, June 18, 1924.
Birthday ang
Yung singer na si Josh Santana, alala niyo pa ba? OPM singer Josh Santana.
Happy birthday!
Diriwa ng kanyang karawan today. Sige, yun lang. Happy birthday din mga kababayan sa Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Happy birthday!
UP, happy birthday. June 18, 1908, the University of the Philippines was established, marking a significant milestone in the nation's educational history. Yeah. Founded during the American colonial period, UP was created to address the demand for advanced education and to cultivate a generation of Filipino leaders equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary for national development. Yeah. 1908, June 18, the University of the Philippines was established. And last but not the least, 83 years old na ngayon, mga kababayan, the legendary member ng The Beatles. Happy birthday, Paul McCartney.
Happy birthday!
June 18, 1942 pinanganak. Birthday ngayon ni Paul McCartney. Sige, happy birthday po sa lahat ng mga nagdiriwa ng karawan. Sino man kayo, sa man kayo naroroon.